Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Omegle app on your iPhone. There is no official app available, but using this method, you can install it as a web app and use it just like a normal app on your iPhone. First, open your browser and search for Umingle. Then go to the official website and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, tap on three dots, then tap on Share. Now tap on More and you will see the option called Add to Home Screen. Tap on it and then tap Add. After that, you will see the Umingle app icon appears on your home screen. Just open it and enjoy chatting. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.